Hello guys, welcome to Abby and Filter TV. So we're here at Denny's in SM Clark. So naka-order na kami yung parang bistro to share nila tsaka yung kids diner, no? So umorder na kami and while waiting, what's good here at Denny's is they have complimentary bread with butter. So at least while waiting, meron tayong kinakain, no? So yun lang. And later on, we will share to you yung food na in-order namin. Okay? Hello guys, so dumating na yung mga appetizer natin. So try ko muna itong parang nachos nila. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan pero medyo social yung pangalan kaya hindi ko natandaan. Pero tikman natin. Masarap na combination ng cheese tsaka yung tomato nila, no? And I think merong meat yung sauce and the crunchy nachos. So I think bagong gawa ng sarap. Appetizer pa lang, panalo na. Siyempre, medyo healthy living tayo ng konti, puno. Tikman natin itong salad nila. Alright? Wow. I'm not a fan of salad, pero ito, panalo talaga, no? So you should try this here at Denny's. Ganyan. Later on, papakita naman natin yung main dish. Pero, umorder pala ako ng coffee. Inaantok ako eh. Panalo rin yung coffee nila. So, sila iced tea. Ako coffee. Para kakaiba tayo. Okay? Hello. So, dumating na yung mga main dish nila na order natin with, ano to be? This chicken. O yun, kung ano man yun. Mahirap din kasi sa shell. And spaghetti. And we have, I think, ano ba to? French toast ba?